Meaning of indoctrination.
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 Indoctrination. Indoctrination refers to the process of teaching a person or group of people to accept a set of beliefs or ideology without questioning them. It is often seen as a negative practice, as it can limit critical thinking and discourage individuals from seeking out differing perspectives. The result of indoctrination can be a population that is more easily controlled or manipulated by those in power. It can also create a polarized society, where individuals are less likely to engage in constructive dialogue with those who hold opposing views.